Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React and nice to be here. Today I'm going to show you all the new things that we have in our new beta that we released yesterday actually for Sketch2React 2021. So first of all, important to know this is a beta and we have rewritten our app almost from scratch to pull all of these things off. So everything that works in our stable version, the one you currently can buy on our marketplace, is not implemented yet. But we will get there eventually, of course. So let's just dive in and check the new things out. So I have prepared this convenient introduction sketch file, and that is of course built with Sketch2React. What else? And let's look at it here in our beta. It looks like this. Nice, neat and nice. First of all, one of the big things in this version is that we now auto-generate a CSS style guide while you work in Sketch. Using our markup rules, of course. It's not about auto-magically converting anything in Sketch to code. You always need to follow our rules. So when you do that in our app, we now auto-generate CSS and CSS modules code for you of everything that you do here. So for example, if we would look at this page in code, we now have something new called the Explorer that we also have in Stratos tokens, but we thought that we really need this one here in Sketch2React also. So here you have all the artboards that you have here in Sketch. Everything you see here is reflected here. So for example, I go through all of the pages and we have a new shortcut for closing any of these side panels, and it's the escape key. I go through them once, and that makes them automatically added to the style guide. So let's do that. Let's go through these pages that we have, artboards, not the pages. Sorry, our artboards are here. Let's go through them. We have some stuff here, some stuffy stuff, and now our built-in robots have done the job. And you press here, this little icon here that looks like Tetris or something like that, and it will open up the style guide folder that you, for example, can drag and drop onto, for example, any code editor. We are going to drop this one on Visual Studio Code like that, and we can look at what our app has generated. Let me just put this one here. So you have everything here. For example, Start has a lot of things, since Start has a lot of things. Yeah, and if you would want to separate the code for, say, a button, you of course put this on a new artboard and call that one something that makes sense to you. So that what I have done here is exactly that. So for example, we go to the button primary CSS file, and everything you see here is related to the styling of the button. So you also have, if we look in our app at that thingy there, you have the hover, the first color, you have the font, the styling of it, the border radius, all of that you have here. And that is awesome. We also do this as CSS modules at the same time. CSS modules is also used a lot in React, for example. So that's the biggest, two of the biggest changes in this beta version. So if you go down here, I already showed you the Artboard Explorer, and it's awesome. Another huge thing is that we now automatically create HTML links between pages and artboards when in Sketch you use the add link to artboard command. You know, the lasso thing, the orange thingy this one. When you press W and do this to another page, we now create the correct link for you. Before you needed to actually enter here in attribute.url. If you were going from this one to this one, you would need to enter the name of this artboard here, like this, / and then blah 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 .html. Now we create this for you, which is really neat. So if you, for example, when you are if you have a prototype that has all of these artboards and you're going from the last one to the first one, you just drag W, press. You need to have a component that has a link in it, of course. You drag it here and we will automatically also create the index.html file connections, which is awesome. So also let's look at what else we have here. We have talked about the links and we are the Artboard Explorer. Yeah, one other thing that is worth mentioning is that we now have a new documents thingy here. So if you press on our logo type here, we have some sketch files that you can start with built in, and then you have this one. This one is really neat. The latest documents, also inspired by how we have it in Stratos tokens, and of course we are also inspired by this place here, since we love Sketch. This is awesome. Also you can go to File and open recent projects like that. I think that was it. I hope you are going to enjoy this beta. Oh yeah, okay, one other thing. For the awesome guys of you out there that actually have bought a license, we love you. The only thing you need to do is enter one of your 4 activation codes. Each Sketch2React license comes with 4 activations, so you have plenty. For anyone that wants to actually try out Sketch2React without buying it, you can download the beta. Just sign up on our marketplace. It will be restricted, of course. For example, you will only see one artboard out to code, and we have disabled all of these code generators, of course. So the only thing you can do is, you can try out our style guide for one artboard. That's it, guys. Have a nice day. Cheers.